In 2019, I look to see the first real emergence of 5G. I do not expect it to be a major distribution for most consumers at that point, and it'll happen across mobile phones, in cars, wireless to homes, and a lot of industrial applications. Now, all of those will happen in very gradual steps in 2019. What I think will be more interesting around 5G in the year ahead will be learning how we market differently over this different kind of connection. And that is a nuanced discussion, because a lot of people say, okay, it's just a little more 4G, a little faster, which is true, but there's more than that going on, and it's a degree of greater speed and greater lightness of connection that the consumer will start to feel like they're much closer to experiences, which is a break point. 3G to 4G was faster. I think 4G to 5G will feel closer, and therefore we have to look, and this will be the industry's job to do, way beyond my expertise, to see how do you take advantage of that closeness that 5G can portray if you utilize it well. It may be a matter of how rapidly things take place, that I feel like I'm closer to an entity, or it may be a matter of how universally a brand is present on connected devices, and that makes me feel like it's easier to have a relationship with it. Or the other idea is that 5G is simply going to make it possible for more consumers to have more connected devices and use them all more, which is a little bit antithetical to the idea that we're at peak media consumption right now, but maybe there's a little bit more to be wrung out. Another major trend I'm looking for next year is going to be the emergence of augmented reality. I have a good feeling about AR much more than I do about VR, and I think that AR will start to really get into its real consumer development phase next year with platform technologies that Google and Apple are developing rapidly. Facebook may get some good traction there, though they tend to be very focused on VR right now. But I think AR will emerge in its post-Pokemon second phase in 2019. We'll see what it can do, not just what fun things it can do, because I think it's got enormous potential as an enjoyable utilitarian platform.